My name is Oscar, and in this demo I'll show you how you can automate the process of testing and publishing a Node.js package to NPM, which is the package manager for JavaScript, using Github Actions. CI/CD, testing, and automation are the key concepts covered in this demo, thus having a clear connection to DevOps. The plan is to test the package when creating a pull request and upload our package when pushing to the main branch. Apart from a repository containing the package we want to publish, we need an access token from NPM. This is found by going to your profile and selecting access tokens, and important to note here is that we want the automation version of the access token, as those are meant to be used in CI/CD workflows. Then, add the access token as a secret in your repository. I'm gonna name mine NPM access token, and this will later be used in our GitHub Actions. Now to my package, which is a really simple calculator containing 3 functions: sum, diff, and mul, and a testing file which tests these functions using jest. Now to our GitHub Actions. We start by adding a testing.yml workflow. We give it a name and when to execute, which is when we submit a pull request. Then we specify the OS and what steps the job contains. In this case, we want to use 2 other actions to check out the repository and execute node packages. Finally, we install all our dependencies via yarn, and then also do a yarn run jest, which runs all our tests. After this, we need to create a workflow for publishing to NPM. The key difference here is that we want it to be run when we push to the main branch. We also need to specify the registry URL for NPM, that is, where we want to publish it. We also need our node auth token to authenticate our publish command. Here we use the previously added secret from the GitHub repository. Now pushing them up on their own branch. And then creating a pull request from the branch to the main. We immediately see how our actions start to function. The tests run on the pull request and it's added as a form of check. Then, when we merge it, we see the second workflow running. When this completes, we can go to our NPM account and we can see our newly published package. The key takeaways from this demo is that it's actually really simple to automate these tasks, and it only took 30 lines of code to both run tests and publish, which is quite amazing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.